We're going to look at some new features of the Pro version of SpinnerChief, and the first one is the Copyscape integration. So if you go into options, you can see the Copyscape settings are here. So you just enter in your username and paste in your Copyscape API here and click OK. That means that SpinnerChief now has your Copyscape account details, and you can run any article that you spin through Copyscape, and we'll see that in a minute. So we're going to have a look now at an improvement we've got to the scrape articles here. I've already gone into the interface and scraped some articles. This is what I want to show you. There's now a drop down box here where you can choose the source of your scraped articles. So for instance, you could choose Helium, go to Helium, scrape some articles, rewrite them, and then send them straight off to eZine, or however you want to do it. And we've added some extra article sources because as you know, we're always looking for quality. You want to be choosing good quality articles to spin, not articles that have already been spun and that don't read too well already. So we've got some good sources there now for articles. Now I've been into eZine articles to get some articles, and I went to eZine for a reason. We'll see why. But this is the one I've chosen here. I'll send that to the edit box. There it is in there. And what I want to do is spin it with nothing. I'm just going to spin it so that nothing happens to it at all. Just click OK here. And obviously that's the original article. And the reason I've done that is because I want to show you here. Now we've got check by Copyscape, so we can hit that, and SpinnerChief will run a Copyscape check using the details that we entered earlier. Only takes a couple of seconds to do this, and that's no surprise. It's saying that there is a duplicate out there in the big wide world of the internet, and that's because we didn't spin it. So I'll close that off now, and this spun article, and now I want to show you the Content Hurricane plugin. So it says integrate CH features. Now if you want to know more about Content Hurricane, there's a separate video for it demonstrating exactly what it can do. It's an amazing tool and very powerful, and we've got the setting here, and it's going to convert. I've got it set to convert 50% of all words and just one character in each word to be converted. That's what these settings mean. So it's 50% of all words here, and we're converting based on words. Like if you had character click there, you'd be converting 50% of all characters. I've got it on words, and it's only converting one character in every word. So this article is going to look pretty much exactly the same when it's converted. So I'll click OK to that. Now I'll click OK, and it's just going to go off and generate according to the Content Hurricane settings. This is what you would paste into your HTML here at the top, and this is what it looked like. It doesn't look so good. You may be aware it doesn't look so good in this font, Times New Roman. You need to be using Arial for it to look really good. But obviously you can see it's 100% readable because it's exactly the same words as was in the original article. So now what we'll do is check that by Copyscape. There you go. Congratulations. No reduplicate content from Copyscape. That's what Content Hurricane does to it. Now, be aware of what Content Hurricane does. Make sure you watch the video demonstration. You can't, or you shouldn't be submitting articles that are converted by Content Hurricane to your article directories. It's not for that. It's for SEO purposes. It's for publishing to your websites and to your blogs. Don't submit to article directories. It won't work for that. So that's how to enter your Copyscape details, how to check by Copyscape, how to choose the source of your scraped articles, and how to convert your article using the Content Hurricane plugin. It's all there. It's SpinnerChief Pro. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching.